Although going beyond the expected time for the completion of repair work on the National Stadium track, Sports Minister Olivia Grange has described the process as planning to perfection. There's also a commitment to modernize the 58-year-old facility despite financial setbacks caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Jermaine Brown reports.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange toured the National Stadium facility on Friday as the final phase of work to upgrade the running track was being carried out. The track, which was laid in 2010, is 2 years past its due date as it was given a projected lifespan of 8 years. Minister Grange inspected the repair work along with officials from Independent Spark Limited, the Sports Development Foundation and the J3As. With financial setbacks caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, the Sports Minister says it's all owed to planning to perfection.
Funds were being put aside gradually over time through the Sports Development Foundation so we could replace the track. We have gone over a little of the time that the track should have been replaced. One, because of the maintenance and care that IPL has implemented over the years. So we got a little bit more out of the track, but we felt that now is the time to do it rather than wait until people start complaining.
Meanwhile, IPL Chairman Mike Fennell says plans to modernize the overall facility, which is currently operating on a, quote, grandfather clause, end quote, will have to be reviewed because of the pandemic.
Well, there's a commitment, the cash has to be available. And let's not fool ourselves, Jamaica has to revise its own cash usage. The COVID and the pandemic has caused a situation, and if you see what the Minister of Finance has said, he's looking at various ways, but in all of that, we have been assured of the commitment to proceed with the renovation plans. It's going to take some time, and it will all not be done in 1 year, but we have to know that our targets is set and we're going to keep our eyes on the ball.
The overall renovation work is expected to be carried out in 3 phases, but Fennell says that they will have to be prioritized based on available funding.
When do we take out this 500-meter cycle track? When do we put in the various skyboxes? When do we put in individual seats? When we improve the lighting? We're trying to reorganize the priorities so that we can have a smooth transition from where we are now into a modern stadium.
In the meantime, resurfacing work on the running track is expected to be completed by the end of January. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.